So in this video we are going to talk about how to create this kind of fencing as you can see in this model. So basically we are using a railing template and in that we are using the balusters. So how we can create that? We are going to use the two families here and going to add it and create this kind of family. So for that first we have to go to the file. Let's go to new and open the family, and here you'll find the baluster. So open this one and let's just simply close other views. Okay, so here we have, so basically I'll create an extrusion in this face first. So I'll go to this extrusion, and for this one I'll select, as you know that we are in the left, so just select this one on the left and right, open it, and here I'll choose this pick line. I set this to offset to 50 mm, and I'll do like this, 50 mm this side, 50 mm this side, and on the top I would like to have a 45-degree. So I'll just select this one and add it here. So just simply add it here somewhere, and basically I'll press DI and change this to angular. I'll select like this and let's cross check. This is 45, it's correct. Okay, now let's delete. Select this one, press MM, select the center line and create the mirror of it. Just trim the other side and do like this. And the bottom, we need to close it from here, just like that. Trim and extend, TR, and just trim it like this. And for the extrusion, I would like to add a 20 mm. So now if I click this OK, so we have this. And if I go in 3D, so this is going to be a fence. So let's check in shade and let's add a material to it. So I'll just directly add a material here. So I'll just open this and create a wood material. So I'll search wood and I'll try to find the beech wood is good for me. I'm okay with it, and apply like this. Now the second thing, the second family we needed is for the profile, so that what you see actually in this which goes horizontally. This horizontal profile is actually created from a profile template. So just go here and open new family and find a profile. This one. Open this. Okay, so now I would like to add just like a 100 mm by 20 mm of thickness. I'll just close it like this, because as you know that this is, I want to have a symmetrical to this one. This is 100 and that is 20 mm thickness, so I'll do the same thing here. So now we have two families ready here. So before that you can actually save it, so you can actually find out when you're going to load in the project. So let's open a new project. I'll choose architecture, and this is a little bit tricky. So creating such profile actually for the railing, first create a simple railing which we have here. Go to 3D and we can see that it's project number 2, as you can see here. So now basically I will just select this one and add a different one. This one will work. So I'll choose this fine and shade, and I'll split this in a shorter one. So I'll just split it here and delete the other. So this is the starting and this is the end baluster, and these are the main balusters. So what we can do actually, we just select this one, edit type, duplicate, and just add custom like this. And if you cannot see this one, you just have to check this box preview, so you're able to see this preview, and you can change its view as well, front, back, left or right. like that. So first of all, I would like to add that family in this project. So just click OK and go to this baluster family, actually, this one. And let me close this one. And the other view we have, it's here. So this is project, basically project 2. So first let's load it here in the project 2. And the second family is the profile family. Let's load that again in the project 2. So now we have here. So now let's do this. It's a little tricky part. Select this one, go to edit type. And basically I would like to remove the handrail. But first I need to check what we can do here inside in the baluster. So just go here and select this family we just created. So basically this family. And here I would like to add like because we have 100 mm of thickness, so we can give like a 300 mm of distance like this. And as you can see that this is not a consistent, this is actually getting attached in the corner in the end. So just choose this option, spread pattern to fit, apply. So it will go in the middle side. So like this. And for the host, actually here, the top one, I would like to select the number 3, railing number 3, because I want to add a railing here. So just select this one, and I will remove this both railing too, and the top one as well. And here you can change as well, like this. And this one also I'd like to add a 3, and here's a 3, and this one also 3, like this. Let's change this corner one as well, and this one as well. Apply. So it's happening because we need to give an offset. So let's give an offset 1 feet, or maybe let's give an offset more, so it will be like a 2 feet. Oops. I think 1 feet or 7 inch will be good. So let's put the 7 inch here. So just copy and paste it. And this one should be the same, and apply like this. Now as you remember this one, this is the top constraint for this rating, and actually rating number 3, and for the this post baluster is also number 3. So let's go OK and go here in this railing structure. So we can delete this 2 and apply, and this one we can actually connect and change this one. So what we can do, go here and we can load that profile we just created. So it's number family 4, like this. And you can actually set this one as well for the profile, like this. And we can delete the number 4, like that, and gets rid of this, we don't need it. So hit apply. So this is how you can create your fence family using the railing method. And let's actually try to change that material as well. So let's go here, change this material. So I'd like to add a different wood material. So I'll just go here and appearance, I'll click this one, go here, click this one, apply. So now this looks far better. And now let's add some topography. Like I would like to add some points here. Just randomly I'm giving. And later on I'm going to change its offset, I mean the elevation of these points. So select this one, give an offset of like 12 feet. And this one I would like to add, not this one, this one. Maybe 6 feet. So it will have, like this one get a small slope so we can actually attach to it. This one will go like a 5 feet, like this. We have slope now. So that's good. Just click OK. Now we have the slope. So we can change this to a different material. So let's put this on a grass, like this, and go here and open the grass and find this grass asset in this one, and you can find it any of this, like this one we have. And let's choose the render appearance. This is quite dark, so we can actually change this one from here. I think from here you can change it. a bit light, like this. And now I'll just simply edit this. I double click this one and edit from here to here in 3D. I can just put it like this in the slope. So now I click OK. So as you can see that it's now not getting connected because the host is not connected here. So when you just click this one, you'll find this option called pick new host. Just select this and select the host. So this is how you can create a fence family using the railing profile.